baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today with a haul for you guys. A haul from Dollar Tree and Dollarama, you guys. Yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I'm on a little mini vacation. Oh, I'm home away from home on a mini vacation, and I'm up in Quebec City. Yeah, well, not Quebec City, I'm up in Quebec. Actually, Gatineau, Quebec. That's where I am, and we're just across the bridge from Ottawa. So I go over to Ottawa, and I come back over to Gatineau. And yeah, so you would know that if you follow me on Instagram. Yeah, so I went shopping, you guys. Got some things I want to share with you guys. Can't wait till I get back home. I have to share it with you now. Yeah, so let's get into the stuff that I got. So we're going to start first with Dollar Tree. Okay? Okay, I got these. These are, you know, the dancing. Well, the sun makes them dance. And you put them on the dashboard in your car. I got these and they dance. This is so cute. I got this one. And I got this one. I think they're so super cute. And this one is flowers, and the flowers dance. Yeah. I found these at the Dollar Tree, which I was very surprised. Which I like them, and I like the pink. Because within my vehicle I have some pink decor, so I was glad when I found these in pink. I don't know which one I'll be using. I won't be using all three of them in my car, no. But I bought all three. They were $1.25. Put them up, see which one I like best, and that's the one that will stay. And I bought some shampoo for myself, you guys. Shampoo and conditioner. The macadamia oil. Yeah, I got these at the Dollar Tree. I bought them before and I found them very good, so I bought back some more. And I got some plastic containers in the Dollar Tree. I think these are really neat. And you get the lid. You get the lid with them. And it says that they can go in the microwave. It says they're microwave safe. So it's nice. And I like the detail of the print within them. It's very nice. I picked up two. One is a round one, and one is more of like an oval shape. You know, and I think they're really super cute. Really nice for $1.25. And like I said, they said they can go in the microwave. I hope so. And another personal item I got was this LA Color eyebrow pencil with the sharpener. And it's in brown. To tell you the truth, I only got it because I wanted the sharpener. I was looking at sharpener and they didn't have any by themselves, but they had it in this, so I picked this up. But this is really super neat and cute. All for $1.25. I got these Dab It painting sponges for when I'm painting. You know, so you could dab the paint onto stuff. So I got that. And look at these guys. Aren't these cute? I've seen them all over YouTube with the American YouTubers. And now I found them here. I think they're so nice. So I picked up two with the wings. They have them in lots of styles, but I only found the wing ones in the Dollar Tree that I went to, so. Oh, another thing I forgot to show before I start showing my decor stuff is these egg trays, you guys. Egg storage. It's really cute, and it comes with a lid, so you can store your eggs in the fridge, and it's good. I think they are. I think it's really neat. Because I hate storing the eggs with the container that they come into in the fridge, so I'm glad I found these in $1.25, which I bought two because it's 12, and I always buy the big pack of eggs, which is the 18, so I had to pick up two, which is neat. It's really neat. $1.25, can't beat that. Yeah, in Canada, our Dollar Tree is $1.25, not $1 like you guys have in America. Ours is $1.25. Another thing I found are these cute? You hang it outside. You know, you put the, I guess a tea light in it, and to do that, you open the bottom part, you guys. The bottom part, put your tea light in, then you put it back in here, and you can hang it outside. Like that. That's really cute. I like that. And I got 2 of them. And I found some more of the flower candle holders, you guys. These are super cute. These ones I got for somebody else. So I picked up a few of these for her. And these I got for myself, which I picked up 2 of these for me. Yeah, but I love them. They're so cute. Down by me I couldn't find them, so I'm so glad when I found some up here. And I also got these tea light holders. Or well, candle holders, not really tea light holders. Because it's a big surface, so you can put a big candle on top. Yeah, I got these. I think these are really nice also. So I got 2 of these. And I found some gems at Dollar Tree, you guys. Now they have them in red. And they have them in blue. And they also had green, but I didn't want the green. So I bought the red and the blue. These magnetic tins. You can store things inside. You can store things inside them. And then you can hook it on the side of your fridge. Or if you have a magnetic board that can hold magnetic things, it's perfect. You put any little knickknacks you want in them. Yeah, and have it up on the wall. Storage. That's it. And you guys, I found these silver picture frames, which are 4x6. 4x6 silver picture frames. They're really neat. So I picked up a few of them. So I'll be doing a DIY with these. But they're really neat. So I got those, which I'm happy about. And I found some more of the mirrored frames, you guys. Yeah, down by me, they were all sold out. And now I found some more up here. And guess what? They only had a little bit too. I got 1, 2, 4, so 6 again. I'm always finding 6. Yeah. So I'm glad I got these, so I'll be using them for more DIYs. Because I really love them. The mirrored frames, they're so nice. And I also found these, you guys. OMG, these are so cute. I got these in the Dollar Tree. They are so cute. You know, and I got 2 of them. Yes, I did. I picked up 2. I think they're really nice. Really nice decor for your wall. I found some chargers, you guys, in the Dollar Tree. Do you see the detail on that? Isn't that super cute? It comes like that. Yeah. They're very nice. They only had gold. They didn't have any other color. They had gold. So I picked up 3 of them because I'll be doing a DIY with them. Yeah. But I just love the detail that's in there. It's really nice. Alright, you guys, that's all from the Dollar Tree. Next, I'll be showing you the items from Dollarama. Okay, from Dollarama, I got some flowers. Dollar Tree had flowers too, but I wanted some white flowers, and the Dollar Trees I went to, I wasn't finding any white flowers. So I found some in Dollar Tree. Sorry, I found some in Dollarama. So I got 2 bunches of flowers. And also in Dollarama, I got some nice candles. I wanted white candles, some small ones, so I found some. And they smell heavenly, you guys. They smell like vanilla. It doesn't say vanilla on it, but they smell like vanilla. Yeah, which is very nice. So I got some candles. And I got some more of these stone gems, which you can get them in Dollar Tree too. But when I went to the Dollar Tree, they didn't have any. And you know, Dollarama has the exact same ones, just it's different packaging, but it's the exact same stone. So I bought 2 packs in Dollarama. Yeah. And Dollarama also has these gems. Decorative gems. They're just a little different. You've seen me use them before in a DIY. So I picked up some more of that. And I picked up this lovely, I don't know, it says, well, it's a greenhouse, it's saying. It's home decor. And it opens up so you can store things inside. So I got this, you guys, because I'm making something for someone that's very special. Yeah, so I'm going to share it with you guys how I DIY it. But I'm making it for someone very special, so that's why I have this special young lady. And I also got another tissue box because I'll be making one of these for her also. Yeah, so I was just sharing that with you guys. So I picked up those. Now let's get into the goodies that I got from Dollarama, you guys. Let's get into the goodies. Yeah. Oh wait, one more thing before I get into the goodies. I found these bows here, these jute bows, I think they call them, which I think they're so super cute. I'll be using them on one of my DIYs. Now we're getting into the goodies. And you'll see why I say goodies in a minute. Okay, I found these at Dollarama, you guys. The bling wrap. Now Dollarama has them, and they're $1.50. The rhinestone mesh wrap, which is so neat. So I picked up 4 packs. Yeah, because these will be going in my giveaway packages. Yeah. So I got those. Everything I'm showing you now from right here, from the mesh bling wrap, is for you guys, okay? That's why I'm sharing my Dollarama haul with you guys, because it's for you guys. And I got these pearls. Oh, aren't these nice? They're pearls, and yeah, they're on a wrap. So I got those. Guys, I found the mirrored tiles. Yeah, I found the mirrored tiles up here in Ottawa. I told you I couldn't find them in Toronto. I went everywhere. They were all sold out. I came up to Ottawa, and what did I find? The mirrored tiles. Yeah, in their Dollarama. OMG. And they had a lot. But let me show you how they had a lot. I bought a lot, you guys. I bought a lot. I bought out the store. I bought out the store, you guys. Oh my gosh. I have, I think it was 40 sheets. 40 packs. I bought 40 packs, you guys. Yeah, of these. You know, they have more, but some of them were broken. When they do the shipping, the sheets are broken. So whenever I go to buy them, I always check them. I'm not gonna buy the ones with the broken pieces. So that's how come I didn't get all of them. But basically I did. It was just a few of them that were broken. And I just bought them out. Cause what? These are for my giveaway. Yeah. These sheets are for my giveaway for you guys. So I got those. And I found some more kind of bling, you guys. They have new blings in Dollarama. They have these ones. Can you see that? These are so cute. These are for anybody that likes the pearl look, which I know we all have different tastes, different looks, so I bought different kinds. So they have the pearl ones. They have the silver ones. And they also have it in gold. Yeah, the same pattern in gold. So I bought a lot of each of them, you guys. Not just one and two like I'm showing you. I bought a lot. And There's this pattern also. This is another nice pattern. It has a rhinestone in the center. This is nice also. So I got these ones. And one more pattern. Yeah, then I got this pattern also. And this also has a gem in the center. Aren't they super cute, you guys? Yeah. So, I got all these for you guys. Yep. A whole bunch. I got to go in my giveaway packages. So I just wanted to come on and share that with you guys. But I'm most happy about is the mirror tiles, you guys. I'm so happy about that. And I know you guys will be too. Yeah. So I'll be having these in my giveaway. Yeah. Alright everyone. That's everything that I got from Dollar Tree and Dollarama. Yeah, I just had to come on and share that with you guys. So thank you so much for coming on and seeing the haul that I did for today. Don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment, and press that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of everything that I have to share with you guys, my YouTube family. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye.